Hello everyone, this is Digital Fluency Part 11 video of presented by EEdjoin. Today's topic is cyber security. With this concept, we are going to end Module 1 and Module 2, both the concept and application part. Let's see the definition. What is cyber security? See, we all heard the term cyber attack, cyber crime these days. Okay, it is cyber security is opposite word to those things. What it is? Cyber security is a technology or a application used to protect our systems, our data, network, devices from cyber attacks. Cybersecurity provides the protection for our systems against cyber attacks. This is that much only definition. Then we are going to say here cybersecurity has mainly five types. First one is a critical infrastructure security. Second one is a application security. Third one is a network security. Fourth one is a cloud security. Fifth one is a Internet of Things, that is IoT security. Let's say about the first one. Critical infrastructure security. It consists of a cyber physical system that modern society depends on. See what it is saying is physical protection. For example, electric grids. You know that na electric grids, water purifications, traffic lights, those physical securities. Shopping centers, there is a physical security providing structures are there na? Those are a critical infrastructure security. Then comes the application security. Applications are much more accessible over network, causing the adaptation of a security measures during the development phase to be an imperative phase of the project. See, application security what uses? It uses software and hardware methods to tackle external threats that can arise in the development stage of application. See, we are using certain application over internet. Guess it. If there is a cyber attack or a cyber attack happens to my system, then if my system software is with application security, it fights back. Okay, application security is in terms of a software and a hardware. It provides in the software format or in terms of a hardware format. Example for software, example for application security are like antivirus system. Yes, we all know it can be antivirus inside the phone. We install it or inside laptop. Many people know we install antivirus compulsively because we connect to internet anytime and we uses the pen drives. So virus can become in any form. So for that only we have to install the antivirus systems. And then comes the firewalls and encryption system. Let me tell you so what is antivirus first. See, if there is a virus, that is a kind of a attack happens cyberly. If against there is a software attack, it happens. If there is a software prevention system against those software virus, that is a antivirus. Then comes a firewall. See, firewall is like wall like structure. If there is attacks happens anything, that wall prevents those attacks before it reach to our system. And it is not physically, it is also software application and it prevents against the viruses. Then third one is the encryption system. It is like it comes into encryption and decryption. See, many time what happens was it attack not happens to our system. If we are sending any data to someone else, I am sending, someone is receiving. In between over the internet, someone can steal it. I have to prevent that fraud. I have to prevent that cyber attack or cyber crime. To do that, I use encryption and decryption. Encryption method is nothing but a coding. Whatever data I want to send, I will code it. I will send the data in coded form. If someone attacks and get the data, also unable to decode it. Only receiver can decode it. When it reaches to the person whom I am sending, that person takes that coded data and decodes it, because previously we had discussed the code and decodes already, so that person can easily decode it and data will be secure. Third is network security. Network security ensures that internal networks are secure by protecting the infrastructure and inhibiting access to it. See, network security means we have to install these things inside our computer. We have to have an antivirus system whenever we are going to connect to any other computer or any other mobiles or any other internet. That network we are creating na, that network we have to, during that network, if cyber attack happens, we have to prevent it. That level security it provides. Few examples are extra logins. I am going to log into my computer, then to mobiles, extra logins. If someone going to use my phone, my laptop without my permission, then new password, we have to regularly change the password. And some of the applications are like antivirus system. In each and every antivirus system, the network security also there. And anti-spyware software, encryption, firewalls, and monitoring. Its monitoring is like that, it after certain times it automatically verifies, scans the whole system. If there is a risk, threats or viruses, it shows us so that we can remove it. Then comes a cloud security. Cloud security or cloud computing security is similar to traditional on-premise data centers, only without the time and cost of maintaining huge data facilities. And the risk of security breaches is minimal. See, cloud security is similar, like already discussed in cloud partner. It provides the basic security and security for the servers, security for data centers, security for databases. It provides. Here, data can be any high, but the security cost and the time is very convenient. We can easily adopt a cloud security applications. Then comes the Internet of Things, this IoT security. What it refers? It refers to wide variety of a critical and non-critical cyber physical systems. It can be application, sensor, television, or any devices. See, whenever you're going to use IoT devices, using that devices, if there is a cyber attack to those, so that in that also for IoT application we provide a security measures. Those comes under IoT security. It contains antivirus, anti-spyware softwares, encryption, decryption protocols, firewalls also there, scanning system is also there. Here are 5 important types of cyber security. Then we are going to see few essential elements of cyber security. First is effective framework. Framework is what? Framework is nothing but a planning. If we are going to provide any cyber security, first thing we have to do is framework, that is planning. And framework must be adopted, and adjusted and structured according to organization needs, where we are providing the security. End to then comes the second one is end to end scope. End to end scope is here the sender part is also need to be secure and receiver part is need to be secure. Both places we are providing the security. Third is through risk assessment and threat modeling. See, risk assessment and threat modeling is important part, and we have our security system has to regularly check the risks, the threats, regularly scan and identify the risk, what type of risk it is, and after identifying, according to that risk, we have to system we have to functioning so that it tackle those risks and threats. Fourth one is proactive incident response planning. Anytime any incident happens, according to that action or incident, our system need to provide response. Fifth one is dedicated cyber security resources. See, already have a cyber security system. It needs some extra things. At that time, for it, we need to provide some extra facilities. Means cyber security resources also important. See, then comes the components of cyber security. We have components here